Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have Norlii, Scandinavian decor. Let's get into it. It's our December box, so I'm very excited. Norlii is sent to us for review, but since we review it, we have a code, McCarty15. I will put it down below along with their link. It will get you $15 off your first box. I love this box. It is Scandinavian design and decor. I love that it's clean lines, but it's still warm. It's very functional. Almost everything I get from this box, I use. One of my favorite pillows that's on my sofa came out of this box. The tray, like when we have people over, if I carry drinks, that kind of thing, came out of this box. Oh my gosh, last month we got cups that sat on saucers that you can use as plates. I mean, they are amazing. I have it tilted oddly because the top, because it goes through customs, it comes from Denmark. It's covered in all kinds of things with my address that I can't even begin to get off. It is heavy. This is the December box. I cannot wait to get into it and see what's in it. So let's get it. I get everything bid back. You can see this is how it arrived. It has our paperwork on top. It says joyful Scandinavian design, probably because it's the holiday box, or just because it's fantastic and it's joyful. And then we have everything underneath packed. Okay, I got everything out of it and I can't tell what most of it is. I love that because I love to be surprised with you guys. Our book, and we have to be careful with this because it does tell us what's in here in it. And I actually fold that page back because this page back here is the one that says what's in it. Scandinavian design is celebrated for its core principles of simplicity, functionality, and beauty, creating spaces that are both harmonious and inviting. The design philosophy emphasizes clean lines, minimalism, and the thoughtful use of materials, resulting in interiors that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also highly practical. What a lovely way of saying what I was trying to say. I use everything, but it's so pretty as design, but I use so much of it. It's just, I use a lot of it. I have some new candle holders that I only moved because I got some Christmas trees. They're going back there. The cultural significance of Scandinavian design lies in its ability to blend, form, and function seamlessly, influencing modern interiors worldwide. By embracing these principles, you can transform your home into a serene and balanced environment, reflecting the timeless elegance and practicality that define Scandinavian design. It says, welcome to the December Norlii box, where the essence of Scandinavian design is beautifully captured in this season's warmest hue, warm brown. This month's collection celebrates clean lines and the understated elegance that defines Scandinavian design, bringing a sense of harmony and sophistication to your winter decor. The thoughtfully curated pieces embody simplicity and functionality, while the rich, warm brown adds a cozy and inviting touch to your home. First out, and very easy to get, we have looks like perhaps a greeting card. I'm not sure. That is what it looks like. We're going to open it and see what it is. Not sure how to open it. I don't want to destroy it. You know what? It's scissors time. I knew last month, if you saw me open the October-November box, I knew the minute I saw the spoilers and then opened it, I was going to love those cups with the little plates. And I do. Yeah, this is a card. It feels lush. That's very nice. It's just a blank card. And it's a beautiful burgundy, blank on the inside, so you could use it for absolutely anything you wanted to. It would be a gorgeous, oh my goodness. It would be a gorgeous card just as it stands as a Christmas card. You know all those lovely things you get in your journal junk box? I'm just saying. This says it is the Norman Copenhagen Red Glitter Greeting Card. This deluxe red glitter greeting card, you don't even want to know how many times I just attempted to say that, is ideal for a heartfelt message. Their elegance complements the understated luxury of Scandinavian design. And it has a really lovely, it's just an envelope, but look at that. Can you guys see this scooped? That's just, it's the texture and everything, just gorgeous. Next out, I don't know what this is. It is a bird ornament, Bloomingville. We've had Bloomingville in this box before. Let's get into it. And like I said, I love that it's things, oh my gosh, I was gonna say last Christmas, we got that big paper star that you kind of put together yourself. There's no other way. They couldn't have shipped it like it was. But you kind of crafted it together yourself and you could put lights in it if you wanted. And I did that and it hung. I didn't take it down after Christmas. I left it up for the whole winter. And then when I took it down and it got put away, unfortunately, I didn't put it away good enough and it got bent. So I was very sad about that. But I use that, I think, It must not have been last year because I think it got used 2 winters. Was it 2 years ago? Or did I just leave it up so long? Anyway, point being, I get their stuff and I use it right away. So that is the bird ornament. Oh, that is gorgeous. It's really heavy. Can you guys see? It's like, I'm not sure if it's wood or a really pressed paper. Oh, this is going straight down to my tree. That is lovely. I wish I had a way to hang it here so that you guys could see it. It has a tail part so that it could fit in the box. Oh my gosh. He's even cuter now. Oh, you can't see it. Oh, there we go. You can see his little tail now. Shake your tail, feather. He's cute. Let's see what it says. Enhance your space with the warm brown wood and paper bird ornaments. These natural accents embody the season's calm spirit, adding a serene touch to your decor. And when it says paper, I don't want you guys to think that this is like, oh, I'm going to put it up one season because it's paper and it's not going to last. It's hardwood and the paper is, I mean, it's firm. It's not, don't think paper. It's much firmer than that. That is so pretty. I like him so much. I wish there was a way to show him here. Okay, next out, no idea what it is. Of course, I'm saving the big thing for last, and I can kind of tell what it is, but not. This, I have no idea. It's very heavy, though. It is a calendar candle square. Is it like an advent calendar? Because it says 1 and it goes through 24. That is amazing. Yes, I'm totally doing this. How cool is that? Mark the days of the season with Norman Copenhagen's calendar candle. It's a sleek, minimalistic design in a rich dark brown hue, accented with numbered text. It offers a sophisticated way to reflect on each day of the winter's quiet beauty. In Scandinavia, Christmas is held on the 24th. Well, once you get to 24, you still have a lot of space. You could burn it on Christmas Day, even here in the US where we go to 25. Although I think a lot of people have in their traditions where they exchange their family presents on the 24th, and then Santa comes, and in the morning on the 25th, it's just what Santa has left. That is amazing. I am absolutely going to find a place to put this downstairs, and we will enjoy it so much. Can you guys see the numbers on it? That is very cool. I wonder if you let it burn down like a pillar or if you just burn it to the, yeah, probably like a pillar, right? Because you'd want it to burn through all of this. Scent free. Yeah, that is very cool. Okay, and last out we have our big box is a bowl, and it is the Line Bowl 030. It is from Norman, who made a couple of our other products. Oh, excellent. Easy to open. This is going to be a huge bowl. It's like unwrapping a Christmas present. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. How gorgeous is this? Is that beautiful? The outside is kind of a chocolatey brown, and it has a very matte feel. The inside is like an ecru, and that design is in also a dark chocolate color. That is beautiful. I am taking a salad to Thanksgiving. Guess what I'm taking it in? It is the Norman Copenhagen Line Bowl, crafted from red clay and adorned with black and cream decal prints. I promise that's not black. It's just not. Each line bowl is a testament to Nordic craftsmanship. Their uniqueness lies in the subtle variations from the artisanal process, making them ornamental treasures perfect as a centerpiece on your dining room table, or how about adding winter fruits like tangerines? It doesn't say anything about how to wash it. I'm going to assume hand wash. That is beautiful. But like I said, I can, well, is it black? Wait a minute. Hang tight. You know what? It might be black. Now that I see it against the brown of this edge, what do I have? Oh, this is black. Is this black? Oh, yeah. My bad. It is black. So it's black and ecru on the inside. It has this chocolate brown on the outside. Isn't that just an incredible box? I mean, we received the bowl, the advent calendar candle, this gorgeous card. I mean, that's just beautiful. The ornament, cannot wait to put him on my Christmas tree. It's just a beautiful, beautiful box. I will put all of the information down below so you guys can go over and check them out. Along with my code McCarty15, you will receive $15 off your first box, which is fantastic. I want to thank Norlii for sending this over. It is absolutely gorgeous. And I hope you are having a great holiday season. Thanks so much for coming by, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I'll see you again really soon, I hope. Take care, guys.